Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about find function. Find function is used to locate the position of a specific character or substring within a text string. It is a case sensitive function and does not support wildcards. So when we have to locate the position of a specific character or substrings, we use the find function. It is basically used in a nested function type where we have to find the location, where we have to see that from which character number the word the search thing is coming. So the syntax for the find is find text, within text, and the start number. So we will see it in detail with the 4 examples. So let's jump to the basic one. So there is a word Excel written over here and we have to find E in the Excel. So we will say E within and just close the bracket. Right now we are not using the start number, we will see it later. So let's press it and we got the character number E. So E is coming at the 4th position in Excel word. Next, coming to how to find a word in a sentence. So there is a sentence which is written over here, welcome to Excel tutorials, and we have to find Excel. So let's find it. Excel. The search thing should always be in quotes, and within text you can give the reference also, and you can write the whole string within the quotes. So pressing enter, we get the 12th position. At 12th position, the Excel word is starting. So now as we have talked that the find function is a case sensitive function. So let's see. Since you have seen over here and in the basic use also that E is falling at the first position also, but it is capital E and we are in search of small e. So let's see it. We are having Excel word over here. Let's see the difference. When we have to find E, the capital one, it gives 1, and as we have seen in the previous example, small e was at the 4th position. So the find function is case sensitive. You have to be very careful while using it. So now coming to the start number thing in the find syntax, we are seeing that find text comma within text comma start number. What is this start number? So you will see over here. Let's assume we want to find E, and we have given it in the quotes, and within text we have given the cell reference comma start number. So start number, if we are not giving, as we have seen in the previous 3 examples, it was starting the counting from the position 1, means the starting of the string. Here it is W, but if we want the starting should be from 5th character, so we can give that. So let's assume we want to give 8. Okay, so we will see that what it will give. It will give the 5th. So by writing 8, it has skipped totally the welcome and the space thing. It has started from the 2. So from there onwards, E is falling at the 15th position, but this counting is from the starting. So it has counted from the 8th position but has given the exact or the true position of E in this string. So find can be useful for locating the position, and you can use it in the nested functions for locating your search, and hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and